The rail-spurred core, Canterbury Road, King George's Road to Cooks River crossing. The natural boundary and end of the main Canterbury Road arterial function is the crossing of the Cooks River and the immediate area of Canterbury town centre. In 1840, the Australian Sugar Company acquired a large tract of land at Canterbury, situated on the banks of the Cooks River. Between 1840 and 1842, Scottish stonemasons constructed the substantial Canterbury Sugar Works using sandstone quarried locally. This industrial complex fostered the growth of Canterbury Village, a small community established after the factory commenced sugar processing in September 1842, creating immediate demand for reliable transport infrastructure. The economic importance of the sugar works led to the formalization of Old Canterbury Road as a trust road by 1856, marking a period when the New South Wales government assumed responsibility for its management. This infrastructure investment was reactive, driven by the need to cart sugar and supplies. Reports from the time indicated the road's condition was extremely poor, described as a horrible admixture of stone quarry and bog, yet its formal status was justified by the commercial traffic it supported. The priority was targeted commerce, not smooth commuter travel. Campsie, specifically along Beamish Street, which, like Old Canterbury Road, is thought to follow an ancient indigenous pathway, became a more important centre. Commercial activity and commuter flow centralised in Campsie, which is a large commercial centre. This shift was formally recognised when the administrative seat of the former city of Canterbury was relocated from the town hall on Canterbury Road to newly constructed premises in Campsie in 1963. This relocation illustrates that business and civic power will follow functional transportation hubs, even if they are located outside the traditional namesake suburb. The major economic backbone centres like Lokemba and the former administrative and district commercial centre of Campsie. Campsie became a more important centre than Canterbury due to the economic pull of the rail hub. You can observe the intense residential development concentrated around the T3 Bankstown line stations in these suburbs. This area has Federation-style semi-detached dwellings built for the working class after the railway arrived, with later interwar Art Deco flats, demonstrating rapid land intensification.